Hi, this is Joe from Kipper's Tractor Sales. We got an 1840 Hesston square baler. It's a 14 by 18 square. And then you can adjust it from 12 inches to 52 inches. It's also got a 6-foot, 72-inch pickup head. Can hold 10 balls of twine. It's also got a clean out for the back of the plunger. So just in case you get a plug, you're able to pull the chute and be able to clean the plug out of it. It's got an adjustable bale tension. It's all manual. 31.5 by 15 tires, equal size tires. So all you have to do is go right across the windrow. What's nice about the inline square balers, you're able to pull over the windrow versus having to have your windrow off to the side. So it makes it real easy for a first-time customer to be able to bale up hay. It's got augers to help feed up the hay. Come down to Kipper's Tractor Sales. Come see me, Joe, and we can go over this baler and be able to tell you a little more in depth on what she has to offer.